Hello and welcome to TV9 Digital. I'm Abhijit Singh Bhamra. Some relief for Dada fans as former Indian captain and BCCI President Sourav Ganguly will be discharged from the hospital on Wednesday. Remember, he was admitted to the hospital last Saturday after mild cardiac arrest was reported. Now, former Indian captain Ganguly, who underwent angioplasties, also suffered a mild heart attack, is in a stable condition now, and his vital health parameters are also normal. Big relief for Sourav Ganguly and for his fans for sure. Now, Dr. Rupali Basu, MD and CEO of Woodlands Hospital, Kolkata, came out with a statement and confirmed that Ganguly will be monitored daily at home and that he suffered a mild heart attack for which he was taken to the hospital immediately while he was carrying out the gym work at his residence.
We reconfirm the consensus decision from the very experienced medical board with 13 members and 2 expert opinions, total 15 doctors from abroad and India, that we have decided that Sourav will be discharged from hospital tomorrow, January 6, 2021. He will be on oral medications and will be monitored by doctors and nurses on a daily basis at home. Sourav will of course will be ready for the next course of procedures or medical interventions after about 2 to 3 weeks.
Ganguly had 3 blocked coronary arteries and a stent was inserted in one to remove the blockage. Now, decision to discharge Ganguly was taken after top cardiac surgeon Dr. Devi Shetty flew down to Kolkata and also studied his reports. So what was there in that report?
Certainly not. Sourav, with the right care he has received so far and the care he is going to receive in the future, he is going to lead a normal life like anybody else. This event should not affect his lifestyle or the lifespan.
Dr. Shetty assured Sourav Ganguly's fans that his incident will not affect his lifestyle and he can go ahead with his life as usual after the insertion of stent. Dr. Shetty also added that Sourav Ganguly will be ready for the next course of procedures or medical interventions in about 2 to 3 weeks. Ganguly is likely to return to hospital for getting angioplasty done to clear the blockages. Now, doctors at the private hospital had on Monday reached a consensus that the 48-year-old Ganguly, who has been diagnosed with triple vessel disease, will be discharged on Wednesday, and the second angioplasty, which he might have to undergo, could be performed at a later stage. An expert medical panel was formed to treat Ganguly, the current BCCI president, and the panel consisted of doctors from various departments, including top cardiac surgeons from India as well as abroad. Ganguly's doctors will be keeping a constant vigil on his health situation and will take appropriate measures as and when required. Now, the Indian cricket icon was detected with 3 blocked coronary arteries on Saturday, following which a stent was inserted in one to remove the blockage. So clearly some good news for Ganguly fans as he will be returning home after he was admitted to the hospital last Saturday. And clearly we at TV9 Digital and all his fans will be hoping for a speedy recovery and may he get back to the office soon. So how did you like this video? Do send in your comments and feedback in the section given below. In the meantime, do not forget to subscribe to TV9 News across all social media platforms.